Could you confirm reports that there were originally 3 of them? Yung isa na nasalba lang, he was saved, that's why he didn't drown. Could you confirm that?
Meron actually po apat yung na allegedly na nalulunod. Pero po yung dalawa ay nakabalik. Tapos po yung dalawa ay nawala.
4. There were
Apat po.
because we heard that there were 3 who got caught up in the rip current, pero isa he was saved. So 4 originally.
Apat.
The two
Apat
of-
po yung
Meron bang according to the witnesses that you spoke to, meron bang nag-attempt na i-rescue tong mga to?
Opo, yung ano nga po, yung lifeguard, ano po siya kaagad. Meron po siyang ginagamit na surfboard, yun po yung rescue niya. Ano po siya kaagad, naka-attend po agad.
So the lifeguard was on site.
Opo.
And what were the conditions that morning? Bakit why were the boys were not saved? Why were they not saved?
Yung nga po, yung bigla po silang nahila sa mas malayo na parte ng dagat at hindi na po sila nakita. So nagkaroon po agad ng paghahanap. At yung nga po, after several minutes bago po sila nakita.